Welcome to our lesson on integration by substitution. This is a powerful technique that helps us solve complex integrals by transforming them into simpler ones. The key formula we use for integration by substitution is the integral of f of g of x times g prime of x dx equals the integral of f of t dt, where t equals g of x. Let's break down how this method works step by step. Step 1. We identify a substitution t equals g of x, where g of x is a part of the integrand that, when differentiated, appears elsewhere in the expression. Step 2. We differentiate our substitution to get dt equals g prime of x dx. This is a crucial step as it helps us transform the integral. Let's look at an example to make this clearer. Consider the integral of x cubed over the square root of 4 plus x squared dx. For this integral, let's make the substitution u equals 4 plus x squared. Then do equals 2x dx, or x dx equals do over 2. Now we can transform our integral. Note that x squared equals u minus 4. Substituting these in, our integral becomes the integral of u minus 4 times x over square root of u times do over 2. Important note, in some problems where multiple substitutions are needed, it may be difficult to return to the original variable. In such cases, it's acceptable to leave the answer in terms of the final variable. Remember, there are no fixed rules for choosing substitutions. The key to mastering integration by substitution is practice. With experience, you'll develop an intuition for identifying effective substitutions. Let's summarize the key steps. 1. Choose an appropriate substitution. 2. Find the differential of your substitution. 3. Transform the integral. 4. Integrate with respect to the new variable. 5. If possible, substitute back to get the answer in terms of x.